everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have 7 toys here. Wow, all are nice and beautiful and serially parked here. Now I will hand drive these all of toys one by one with my hand. So at first is the elephant car. Let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this elephant car. This one is white and yellow color combination. And now there is a nice color combination police car. I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this police car beside elephant car. See this police car, this one is white and black color combination. And next one is a military tanker. I will hand drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this military tanker. This one is green and black color combination. And next one is a police helicopter. Wow friends, I will hand drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this police helicopter. See this one is pink and paste color combination. And next one is a big size bird here. Wow. So friend, now I will drive this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this bird. See this one is purple and yellow color combination. So friends, now I will hand drive this under construction mixer machine here. So let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this mixer truck. This one is white, black and yellow color combination. There is the last one is very big size power backhoe. I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this power backhoe. This one is yellow and black color combination. So friends, all of my toys are hand drive and serially parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.